This is part 3 of our main topic, clouds. Towering cumulus clouds are early stages of cumulonimbus. They usually indicate convective turbulence. So the best way to understand this is with these illustrations here. So we have one cumulus cloud, and an easy description of a cumulus cloud is that it looks flat in the bottom and fluffy on the top. And then we have this other cumulus cloud, and as we can see, it has extended vertically. It looks a little bit bigger. And then we have the cumulonimbus cloud, and as we can see, the flat looks the bottom looks flat, and it has a vertical extension now. It looks way bigger. Why is it extending vertically? Because of the warm air rising. Warm air rising. So back on this cloud here, the cumulus cloud, it looks flat from the bottom and it looks fluffy. And as warm air is rising, look what's going on. It's extending vertically until it gets to this point, to a cumulonimbus cloud. Let's go back to the definition again. Towering cumulus clouds are early stages of cumulonimbus. They usually indicate convective turbulence. So what is convective turbulence? Convective turbulence is when air feels bumpy, and I wrote it right here. Air feels bumpy when it's moving up and down in different directions and speeds because of warm air rising. So on the previous video, we talked about what would happen if one person flies through a cumulonimbus cloud, and we talked about the turbulence. The biggest turbulence that we can encounter is in cumulonimbus clouds. So once we fly through these clouds, pretty much there's air moving up and down at high speeds, and that's why it's dangerous. So again, we try to avoid flying through these clouds, and we have to maintain a distance for safety reasons.